Hello there friends, and welcome to another video in my series about WordPress theme development. So in this video we are going to, this is a series actually, we're going to create a theme for a software services company, and I will show the front end right now. So front end, front page is going to look like this, and if you recognize the design, it's actually from another creator called Traverse Media. So I took his design for the front page and applied it to my WordPress theme. So if you hover over, you can see here that it kind of changes the size of the screen. And all this is customizable in the customizer. So if I choose, for example, our designs, we come to the design page, and up here you come to a normal navigation bar. And the design page have right at the moment 3 different options. You can add more options. There's a possibility for that, obviously. And down here is a footer. This button here doesn't lead anywhere. And if we go to our about page, it's a simple text, and then clients that I had. If you hover over, you get a little card like this. Same for testimonials, and testimonials and clients are a custom post type that we will add, and a very simple contact form, which I also created from scratch. So very basic. And if we go over to services, it looks exactly the same as the design, but here we have services, and you can set the price and the description and what it is. And if we look over to the portfolio, we have all our portfolios here. Image, yes, the year was completed or started, it's up to you. Name of the company and some description here, and I can add several here. And then if we go back up, we have the contact page. So it's the same contact form here as well, with some very basic validation. So that's that, and obviously it's totally responsible. So responsive, not responsible, responsive. So if you can have a look here, just see where it breaks, and then when I go to mobile devices, you can see you have the menu like this. And if you go to the front page, you would see it still works here, but yeah, it's fully responsive. And if you look at our design page, everything here also changes as well. So that is what we will be creating in this series. And if we take a quick look at the back end, as I said, I created some custom post types. So we got clients, designs, services, portfolios, and testimonials. And I created all these with plugins. So we will have a look at how to create plugins as well. So you can see here, all these are plugins, and also the contact form is a plugin. Now the contact form is now working on a local host, which I am at, but it works on the excuse me, on the real. We have a real host service. And for the pages, I created a few pages already. So for the about, contact, design, portfolio, services, and a thank you page as well for when you send an email. And if you look at the about page, you have all these short codes, and it comes from plugins. And for each page, I have a page template, as you can see. So that's what we'll be creating, as I said, in this series. So I hope you're following along, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.